had her early. It was a blizzard. She was born in the blizzard of 2003. And I walked from Druid Park Drive to Maryland General every day to go see that baby for 6 weeks straight. I walked. And right after I delivered a baby and walked every day to that hospital. I remember the day I delivered her, one of the nurses said, premature babies need to feel love and need to feel skin-to-skin contact or they'll die. And that stuck with me, and I was just like, I can't leave this baby up here to die.